Do I look like a YouTuber yet? Hey guys, I'm Lexi, aka Chemist, and I'm back. Sorry, it's been 2 years. When I first started this channel, I thought it would be kind of cool to have a vlog and show my creativity, and after I released my first awkward attempt...
Oh, hello there, I'm Chemist.
What ended up happening is I got overwhelmed when I was making the second one. I tried videos and transitions and animations, and I gave up. I thought, I'm a photographer, not a videographer. Why do I even need to bother with this? So I put it off and I said, oh, I'll do video next year. And then I said, I'll do video next year again. And here we are. It's 2020.
This is 2020.
So wish me luck, and hopefully you guys don't tune out. So one of my favorite video types to watch on YouTube are the tech reviewers and gear how-tos. And this is kind of a spoof of that because I don't know where this channel is gonna go, but I do plan on investing in my equipment and sharing with you what works and what doesn't. Most of the time, I'm not gonna be using a 2-camera setup with all of these lights in this crazy studio. That's just too much work. So I'm gonna be using my phone. Now, if you know me, I really like my coffee, and that means I'm super jittery handheld. So it was time to get a gimbal. And this is the one that I got. Not sponsored by DJI. Just got this because, well, it works. So this is the Osmo Mobile 3. And like every good YouTuber, I decided I'm gonna do an unboxing. And hopefully this works. Because if the video kind of fails, well, then I'll have an open Osmo to show you. Ooh, fresh plastic smell. That was pretty minimal. And that's all she wrote. That was easy. All right, so let's see, how does this thing work? Apologies, this is gonna be awkward. So I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
So that's pretty much it. So stay tuned and ring that bell, smash that like button, whatever the kids are doing these days, and I'll see you next time. And then to document some of the things that I'm working around in the studio, I'm such a noob.